Greetings, fellow crafters. 'Tis I, your Hallow Queen, speaking. Welcome to my court if you're new. Welcome back if you're returning. And I'm going to do a minor whip and chat and post review for this painting. I finished it, but was short some drills. They've sent me the drills. I don't have much left to do, so when I come back, I'm going to finish this up and let you know what I thought of it. Stick around. Okay, so I know the camera's swaying a little bit. I'm using sort of a arm for a phone. It's not the best solution, but it works for out here until I can reclaim my craft room. But this is what I've been calling Dragon Warrior. It was in my first box, I think, from Easy Whim. Hang on a second. Okay, so yeah, it was in my first box from Easy Whim. Sorry, noisy children upstairs, noisy washing machine next door. I am feeling a little bit better, so I've actually been able to try and start getting some housework done and get into this stuff. But I ran out of 938 square, and this was actually my first square painting that I'd ever worked on. So I contacted them. I will put the date that I contacted them on the screen. And I got these just today, which is the 9th of October. They sent me 2 bags of 100, even though I told them that I needed about 15. There's not that many left. Other than the 938, I didn't have any problem getting any other. I had lots left over of all the other drills. I didn't have that much in the way of trash. But I did find that the sizing on the drills was kind of inconsistent, which meant that I do have areas on here where the drills are popping. It's not a massive issue, but it is definitely an issue. You can see here, this is where the drills are missing. But there's not many. I'm a little disappointed with her face. It didn't really turn out. I do think this would have been better in a 40 by 50, but it's a 30 by 40. It is a true 30 by 40, but it is only a 30 by 40. The first box I got from them was what they just call a members box, which is sort of their basic kit, and that's the biggest size that the paintings come in that kit. This was one of the dragon offerings they had. I'm still receiving boxes from them because I've paid for 3 months in advance. For the next few boxes, I have one more left to get, which is not shipped yet to my knowledge. I don't know if I'm going to get any more after that because the quality of the paintings isn't that high. They are very similar to the Evershine ones that I've done. So I would not be surprised if these are made by the same Evershine Huracan stuff there. I don't see any more. I think that might be done. Nope, don't see any more. But other than that, I mean, it looks pretty great. It looks even better in the camera than it does in real life. You got some really lovely colors. I am always partial to a woman warrior. And she's even got some barding by the looks of it on the dragon. Barding is animal armor. You aren't the nerd that I am. And the shimmer is lovely. Let me get out my pen here. You can really see the shimmer and shine when I run the pen over here. I love this pen. This actually came in an Easy Whim box too. This came from my most recent box. Just double checking to make sure I didn't miss any. I knew I wasn't missing very many. So I've already dekitted everything except for obviously these last few 938s, which I will dekit now. But overall, I'm okay with how it turned out. I still think it would have been better in a larger size to get more of the detail, especially for her face. But it's a decent project as is, and I'm happy I did it. So thank you for joining me. Do take care to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified whenever I put up videos, which lately has been extremely random. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.